and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Centre defers suspension of ECs to all mines in Goa. Can't suspend clearances without issuing show cause notices. Government issues notices to 40 illegally condoned mines. Goa on red alert after receiving inputs from intelligence agencies on terror. Hoax call received by DGP on explosion in a 5-star hotel triggers panic. Housewives agitated by central government's decision on restricted LPG cylinders. Parrikar announces 6 more subsidized cylinders to families with annual income up to 3 lakh rupees. Don Bosco College of Engineering clinched Inter-College Football Championship. Fatorda boys stunned fancy Dempe College by 2 goals to nil. And Sports Minister orders probe into substandard work at Sangeng ground. And now the news in detail. Ministry of Environment and Forest has deferred suspension of environment clearances of mines in Goa. Sources from Delhi revealed that the file is pending on Jayanti Natarajan's table, but she hasn't signed it as she cannot initiate such an action without issuing show cause notices to the mine companies. Meanwhile, Goa government has issued show cause notices to the 40 mines which were illegally condoned by earlier governments. CM is busy having frantic meetings with all the stakeholders.
CM met all mine owners on Friday morning. He has allowed transport of ore already dumped at jetties.
The CMan ताणे सांगला आपण किती असतं पळयता म्हणून स्टॉक जेटीचेर आसा तो एक्सपोर्ट करूंक मेळटलो ताजे मन ते पेपर गव्हर्नमेंट एग्जामीन करतलो आणि ते एग्जामीन करून जवळ जवळ सप्टेंबर म्हणजे आता ऑक्टोबर नोव्हेंबर म्हणसर ते एग्जामीन करून जातकीच मागीर जेचे पळय सगळे कागदपत्र जाग्यार आसा तांकां परमिशन दितले न्ही कित्याक शिता फुडें मीठ खावंक शकना ती नोटीस पळयल्या शिवाय कांयच उलोवंक शकना.
Sources say that following crucial points were discussed during the meeting with mine owners. No more concession of lease, deed of lease, decision about buffer zone as per Goa's demography, committee to decide about buffer zones, CM to make representation to centre on buffer zones, committee to submit its report by October, action against mines who were encroached on area outside lease. But the Union Ministry of Environment and Forest has not dared to issue cancellation of environment clearances till now. Sources from Delhi mentioned the following. Can't issue suspension without issuing show cause notices. Suspension at this moment is against natural justice. File has reached on the table of Jayanti Natarajan. No possibility of any order from centre till Monday. Meanwhile, Directorate of Mines and Geology in Goa has issued show cause notice to 40 mines which were illegally condoned by the earlier government. They have been asked to reply by 10th October. Although BJP MLAs in mining belt are pressurizing CM to restore the business fast, CM has denied any pressure on him.
They should take this closure to get all their documentation and procedures in order. They have to use it as a year.
Whether you have assured them to that jet teacher vote padla, so they will be allowed after paying royalty.
Jet teacher vote has already royalty paid. The order is very clear. Material which has been already removed from the pit is not included in that ban. That can be subject to inspection and verification, that can be allowed. म्हणजे आजवर ते इल्लीगल सब्जेक्ट टू व्हेरिफिकेशन हे म्हणटा ते कारणूच तें की इल्लीगल आसा जाल्यार मेळचें ना. Government should be by law and my government will go by law. We are not against anyone. We are not in favor of anyone other than what is legally permitted.
CM also met truck owners late in the evening. He will meet all the banks in the state demanding respite for truck owners while paying installments of their trucks. Government will ask banks not to press for installments till mining operations are restored.
Bank have been already under Secrecy Act. They have already started attaching our barges, houses, collateral security. So we have requested the government that please intervene in this immediately, and please call a meeting of the lead bank on Goa, and please tell them not to proceed with the actions immediately. CM सांगला की आमचे जे मेन प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्ले कार्गो ना म्हणून तो कार्गो रिलीज करपाचे गव्हर्नमेंटान थारायला की कितें जो स्टॉक आसा तो जेटीचेर बीन स्टॉक आसा तो रिलीज करपाचो थारायला.
10 जाणांची कमिटी काढून सांगल्या आणि तितून नॉर्थ गोवा साऊथ गोवा मशीन ओनराची 10 जाणांची कमिटी आसतली आणि जेचे जे काही संकट येयला तेचे फुडली रणनीती ठरोवपाक आमचे वेळो भाई कडेन मिटींग जातली.
आमी पर्यावरणाचे दुश्मन न्ही आणि आमकां इलिगली नाका, आमकां लिगल मायनिंग खंयच्याय परिस्थितीन चालू जावपाक जाय ही आमी सीएमा कडेन विनंती केल्या.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Goa is on red alert following terror threat input from intelligence agencies. State security has been put on red alert following a hoax call to the state DGP. A call regarding explosion at a 5-star hotel in North Goa spread panic even in the secretariat. Sources say DGP had received a call supposedly from Director of Intelligence Bureau based in Mumbai.
The Director General of Police received a call with an intimation of a probable explosion in Goa. Sources say call was received from the Intelligence Bureau in Mumbai informing about probable explosion. The Goa police were immediately put on alert. All the hotels are placed under strict vigilance. Also, checking of vehicles is on through nakabandis on major state routes and highways.
Bomb move. There was some intimation to the police, DGP, that there is an explosion in Goa. A serious, important link. म्हणून हांव धांवत गेलो थंय कारण एक्सप्लोजन जालें अशें म्हणून कळ्ळें. Subsequently we checked up, it is only a threat which has been, we have put police on red alert, and that is mainly happening because of certain maybe the American boat आयल्या अशें काही झाल्यामुळे प्लस इंटरनॅशनली.
सो सेंटरान हांच्यानी इन्फॉर्म केला
I can't tell you who has informed me, how it is.
However, while the state is on alert, seems like the security along the railway route is taking the information casually. The security vigil along the Konkan railway route seems neglected. There are no security guards nor any police. PRO of Konkan Railways, Baban Gadge, informed that there is a need to strengthen the railway police force.
The Konkan Railway having a limited RPF staff, Railway Protection Force. But however, moreover, Konkan Railway Police Station is also available, where Goa Police will be deploying, and that concern will be taken care of.
Right now, only one policeman is there on station. No bag checking, no passenger checking, nothing.
No, shortly this Goa Police will be stepping up in that direction.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Housewives are shocked with the central government's decision to restrict subsidized LPG cylinders to 6 per family per year. Aam Aadmi has strongly opposed this decision. Housewives feel that 6 cylinders per year aren't sufficient and it should be at least 10. Meanwhile, CM Parrikar has declared relief to goenkas by announcing 6 more subsidized LPG cylinders to families with annual income up to 3 lakh rupees.
सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटान ब्रेस्तारा एक निर्णय घेतला. LPG सिलिंडराचेर रेस्ट्रिक्शन्स घातला. आता प्रत्येक फॅमिलीक दर वर्साक फकत 6 सिलिंडर मेळटले. ताच्या वयर जर घेतल्यार तांकां मार्केट प्रायस व्हॅल्यून सिलिंडर मेळटले. तर हाऊसवाईफ्स कडल्यान जाणून घेवया तांचें कितें मत आसा ते ह्या निर्णयाचेर. सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटान LPGचेर रेस्ट्रिक्शन्स घातला. ताचेर तुमचें कितें मत आसा?
गॅस सिलिंडरा बद्दल. गॅस सिलिंडर हो सामको आमचो संवसाराचो मूलभूत गरज कशी, आनी तांच्यांनी अशी दर वाड करपाची न्ही एक्चुली. ताजेर आमचे खर विरोध आसा. आमकां सो एक्चुली पुरो आता म्हटल्यार एक्स्ट्रा पे करचे अशें 100 वरांनी
कोण बाबडो पेन्शनर आसा ताका 4000 पेन्शन मेळटा तो सगळो हे पिवन पळयता बायले कडेन कांयच उरना तेजी त्या बायलेचो सामकेच हाल जावपाचे.
आमची इन्कम कितें आहा लिमिटेड आसता. आतां आमकां 6 सिलिंडर वर्साक म्हण सांगता आमकां पुरो जावपाच ना आनी ओपन मार्केट ते 700-800 म्हण सांगता फाल्यां 1500 सांगत 2000 गरज आहा म्हण हाडूंकच लागता न्हू आमकां.
आमचें मत अशें की ते शक्यतो लोकांक पावनात.
जी म्हारगाई वाडल्या ती पळयत जाल्यार सय पावूंक शकचे ना. एक्चुअली एक किचनाक कमीत कमी वर्साक 10 पूण जाय.
खरें म्हणल्यार म्हयन्याक एका वयर एक सिलिंडर लागता आनी तो कितें 2 म्हयने काय चलना आनी 6 म्हणजे सामकेंच कमी. म्हाका जाल्यार अशें दिसता की गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां 12 सोडूच 10 तरी कमीत ते दिवंक जाय.
Meanwhile, Goa government has decided to provide 6 more subsidized LPG cylinders apart from the existing 6. But only families with income of 3 lakh per year will benefit from this subsidy.
3 लाखासाठी उत्पन्न जे फॅमिली गो बायला तांकां गव्हर्मेंट आनीक 6 कुपनां
इम्प्लिमेंटेशन केन्ना सुमार करतले कुपनां दिवपाचें आतां रोखडे करचें पडलें.
BJP workers took out a morcha on Friday afternoon in Panaji in protest of LPG restriction and diesel price hike.
काही तेपान जी प्रचंड सगळे जागे प्रत्येक वस्तूचेर वाड जावपाची आसा ताका हे काँग्रेस सरकार जबाबदार आसा.
काँग्रेस म्हणजे म्हारगाई हे समीकरण जावन गेल्ले आसा.
Bureau report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.